The schedule or diary ref is where we typically add the pet's name, which serves as an identifier in the schedule, invoices, and email merges. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Let's begin by navigating to the Scheduler tab in your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Here you'll find a list of all scheduled services. Each entry includes an additional identifier known as the Schedule Diary Reference. The schedule reference is assigned by you when you set up a new client in PetSitter Plus, but you can also edit it later from the client menu. This reference allows you to list pet names on the schedule, helping you and your team quickly identify the client at a glance. Additionally, you can set a preference for how your client is displayed in your schedule. To do this, navigate to the Admin tab, then to Settings, and select Schedule Settings followed by Options. In the drop-down list called Display Client in Schedule, you can choose your default display setting for the scheduler. You can opt to show just the client name, just the schedule ref, or both the client name and reference together. This flexibility is often helpful, as some staff members may know the client by name, while others might refer to the client by the pet's name. If we want to update the schedule reference itself, first we need to find the client's account. On opening that, you need to expand the Client Information menu and then navigate to Client Details. In this example, the client previously had one dog and has now added another dog to the family. So we are updating the schedule reference to reflect that change. Enter the new reference in the Schedule Diary Ref field and click Update to save your changes. Remember to update this field each time a client's pets change. If a client has many pets but books a visit for only one of them, you can use the Schedule Ref override to inform your staff about this. Another great feature of the Schedule Diary Ref is that it can be merged into emails using the Schedule Reference Merge code in your communications. You can find a full list of available merge codes along with many email templates under the Admin tab. Navigate to Supporting Data, and then select Email Templates. At the top of your Email Templates list, you'll find a convenient reference guide that outlines all the merge codes available for use, along with a brief explanation of their functions. Merge codes are placeholders that enable you to automatically insert specific information into your emails or invoices. By using merge codes, you can personalize your messages with details like client names, staff or sitter names, or schedule references. This can save you time and make your communications more tailored and efficient. We'll delve into this feature in more depth in another video. And that's it! Understanding and using the Schedule Diary Ref can greatly enhance your efficiency and organization within PetSitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.